right, the next step, what we're gonna do is replace the septum and liner. So the system comes shipped with a septum in place to prevent any dust from getting in your injection port. So we're gonna remove that septum. Go ahead and use your septum puller, pull that out, and we're gonna replace it with a brand new septum. Your system comes with plenty of them, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna tighten this up. Same thing, you're gonna tighten it finger tight, and about a quarter turn is all you're gonna need. Then we're going to install our O-rings and liners. So we're going to use our wrench, the other side of the wrench, to open this up. Once that's opened up, inside you're gonna see that there's a large channel and a small hole. So in the large hole, or the channel, we're gonna put a large O-ring in there. That's gonna just drop in place. And then for your liner, you're gonna use the small O-ring. And your liner. We're gonna take our O-ring, we're gonna put it about a third to a quarter of the way down. We're gonna set it in there, and we're gonna just gently push on that so that it goes all the way down. Make sure it's in place. Then we're gonna take our liner nut, and we're gonna take a look and notice that it is keyed so that it has to fit in a specific direction. So we're going to line that key up, and you should feel it fall into place. If I can get it keyed properly. There we go, fell in place. We're gonna finger tighten this up, and we're going to about a quarter turn, eighth turn, quarter turn, so it's nice and tight. Again, make sure that you do this before you turn the system on. This heats up very rapidly. But now we are ready to turn the system on.